Coming up in this video, this is a proper crowd pleaser of a cocktail. This is what I rock out as my welcome, arrival, reception drinks, whatever you want to call it. This is my flip on an Aperol Spritz. Very, very similar. It's a blood orange Spritz, blood orange Aperol Spritz, whatever you want to call it. So if you want to know what all that's about, then stay tuned. Hello and welcome to part 7 of my 8-part cocktail mini-series. Rolling out these cocktails. These are predominantly what I do on cocktail masterclasses, on events. People keep asking me how I make them. Is there videos available so they can watch, so they can make these themselves at home? This is what this mini-series is all about. So we've covered mojitos, pornstar martinis, a flip on a dark and stormy, an espresso martini, a bramble, number 6, the last one was an old-fashioned. Number 7 is my blood orange Aperol Spritz, and it is absolutely lovely. So if you love Aperol Spritzes, or if an Aperol Spritz is, you kind of like it but it's just a bit too bitter, then this is a recipe for you. And if you stick this, if you're watching this, if you're a bartender, if you stick this on your menus or just do this, I guarantee it is a crowd pleaser. It is absolutely phenomenal. So let's get right into the cocktail. So very easy to make. We're just going straight into the glass. Now you could use a gin balloon if you really wanted to. I like doing them in wine glasses. They're slightly smaller. They're just perfect for this. So let's go. The first thing we want is our blood orange. Now I like to use Monin for this. Monin syrups just packs a punch, great flavour, and you don't need too much of it either. I'll drop affiliate links of where you can get this from. It's literally about 5-6 quid. You know, 15ml shots. You're gonna make 40 plus of this out of the bottle, so it's well worth investing in. I love Monin syrups. I do use them quite a lot. Right, 15ml is going straight in. Okay. Look at that, nice red, vibrant. Now this is a sugar syrup, so there is obviously sweetness there, and this just takes the bite away from the Campari, from the Aperol. Sorry. So we're going straight in with the Aperol. There we go. Let's twist that around. We're going 50ml of Aperol in there. Absolutely lovely. Don't know what Aperol is. It's kind of an aperitivo, a bitter. It's not as bitter as Campari. It's the same family, same people. Slightly, I don't want to say sweeter, but slightly fruitier. Bearing in mind, it's still a bitter aperitivo kind of drink. All right, so that's what Aperol is. Anywhere between 12-15 quid a bottle. Aperol Spritz is so easy to make. So we've got a blood orange in there. And we've got our Aperol. Next ingredient you want is your soda water. This bit's up to you. I tend to go just about 50ml of soda water in there. I'm just going to do that just to wash out the syrup. There we go, 50ml. Then the final ingredient is obviously your Prosecco. I've just got a little bottle here of Prosecco. Traditionally we go, it's a 1-2-3 ratio. So for this, nice screw top Prosecco. There we go. For this, I'm just going to go 75ml. Okay. So I've kind of done a 2-2-3 ratio. Okay. So there we go. 50ml going in there. Sorry, 75ml. That is as simple as it gets. They are your ingredients. So get rid of the blood orange, and that's how you make the Aperol Spritz. All right. I'm just going to put a few cubes of ice in there just for starters. And then I'm going to garnish this with, if you get blood oranges, if they're in season, go with blood oranges. But I don't have blood oranges, so I've just got some nice slices of orange. 3 will do very nicely. Just take a long bar spoon. Just looking around. Oh, I've got some mint there. I'm just looking around for the other garnish. Top some more ice in there. Look at the vibrancy of that. Absolutely amazing. And then, there we go, here's some mint. I just like to garnish this. I think the contrast in colour looks absolutely amazing. I just like to garnish that with a mint sprig. And there we go. That is as easy as a blood orange Spritz gets. Blood orange Aperol Spritz, 15ml of blood, Monin blood orange, 50ml of Aperol. Again, 50ml for me, I like that ratio. 50ml soda water and then 75ml of Prosecco. So there we go. There is my blood orange Aperol Spritz. Try it. It's amazing. I promise you it's amazing. So this has been number 7. Coming up in number 8, we're going to finish with the aperitif kind of cocktails. It is the Negroni. Again, slight twist for you in the Negroni. Cracking recipe. So that's coming up next. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love to know what you thought, so let me know in the comments below. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, then I'd appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button and subscribing to this channel. And if you want to follow me on a daily basis, then you can find me every day over on Instagram at Steve the Barman. I'd love to hear from you, so make sure you send me a DM to let me know you found me over on YouTube. If you want to watch more of my stuff right now, then hit one of the on-screen links and that will take you to my most recent or most related video. I've been Steve the Barman. I'll catch you next time.